Welcome to Throttle House. Today we have an expected novelty in the review, Lexus ES Hybrid 2025. This car promises to become a new benchmark in performance, luxury, and environmental friendliness. Watch this video to the end to find out all the details about the future of the legendary Lexus Hybrid. The first thing that attracts attention in the new Lexus ES Hybrid 2025 is its perfection in every detail. Lexus enthusiasts hope that this car will raise the bar for performance and environmental friendliness to a new level. The hybrid engine, which combines a powerful gasoline engine and an efficient electric motor, promises to be one of the most impressive in its class. This car is the perfect choice for those looking for a sustainable and luxurious combination of efficiency, performance, and advanced technology. Don't forget to subscribe to our Throttle House channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss any of our reviews. Also, leave a comment under the video. We are interested to know your opinion about the new Lexus ES Hybrid 2025. Now let's talk about design. The new Lexus ES Hybrid 2025 gets a lot of updates, and you won't be able to miss its elegant appearance. Especially impressive are the new LED headlights, which look modern and minimalistic. The legendary Lexus radiator grille will remain, giving the car a recognizable look. The taillights will be completely redesigned, and we expect to see either separate taillights or a completely new design.as for the price and release date. There is no official information yet, but we can assume that the price will increase slightly compared to the 2024 model. The base model ES 2025 Hybrid is expected to cost about $44,100 to $44,190. The expected release date is the end of 2024 or the beginning of 2025. Subscribe to our Throttle House channel and write in the comments what you think about the new Lexus ES Hybrid 2025. Your opinion is important to us. Now let's move on to the most interesting part, the power plant. In 2025, the ES Hybrid will receive a new hybrid powertrain, and this is causing a lot of excitement. The new engine is expected to have a capacity of 245 horsepower, which is significantly higher than the current model of 203 horsepower. Fuel economy is also impressive, 5047 mpg in the city and 4750 mpg on the highway. The Lexus ES Hybrid 2025 represents a significant improvement over the previous model. We are looking forward to testing it and sharing our impressions with you. Subscribe to our Throttle House channel, stay tuned, and see you in the next issues.